Hey Wayne, just wanted to show you what I've done so far. See the new rotors, brand new rotors, new hub assembly. All that was rusted, but now, and then in here, I just took out the shocks. I'm replacing the shocks. Here's the old ones, really rusted. The peanut gallery. Say hey, Uncle Wayne. Hey, Uncle Wayne. Get the new ones. Already done one side. Look, Gabriel Ultras G-Force. Man, I've never seen that much rust.